Helicopter 4 Foxtrot Echo, you proceed on course northbound, supposed to be at your own risk, wind 160 at 8, the altimeter 3013.
You were clear for the options, so your discretion, you can continue up traffic.
Taxi instructions, notice Airman, taxiway Bravo and northwest tanker taxi lanes, 20 feet wide, crane 4.3 miles northeast, 298 feet AGL, on that tower 3.5 miles west-southwest, 250 feet AGL, the rest of contact him, keep up approximately 30 feet, helicopter left. 004, turn left, your discretion, or we 1 taxi B is up, front spot 3.
Wanting to be a pilot goes way back longer than recent past. It goes back to being a little boy, watching airplanes or a helicopter fly over the house. I think helicopters chose me. My brother is a fixed-wing pilot. My father used to work for American Airlines, so we were always around aviation. At one time I went and checked on a flight school to learn fixed-wing and just didn't do it for me. And then I took a ride in a helicopter, and that was it.
Riverside Tower, helicopter 44 Foxtrot Echo, Christensen Jet Center, requesting south departure along Alpha with a north turnout for downtown.
I look forward to coming here right after I get off work every day. We try to get here about 30 minutes to 45 minutes before the flight is scheduled to depart. We'll pre-flight the aircraft, make sure everything is good to go with the aircraft first thing.
Prepping for a flight is just about getting into a state of mind. It's about getting focused for what your mission is or what your flight is for the day. I think the reason I chose helicopter over fixed wing is just the versatility of a helicopter. I mean, to see your kid's face when you land in the backyard, that's priceless.
We love being here at the airport, but with the helicopter we have the ability to land any place that we have permission to land at.
It's a sense of accomplishment. It's something that I've wanted to do for a long time, and every time I get in and fire up the engine, I just feel blessed every time.
Third deployment to understand movement area. Suicide wind altimeter 150, wind altimeter 3014, main west southbound departure 3. When you turn northbound, there's going to be a helicopter heading you right southbound, just over the city of Basin. I see him. Thank you for the traffic. 04, man.
Up to 64 Mike traffic, 1 o'clock and 4 miles, helicopter 1,300 feet, southeastbound.
My decision to fly helicopters is reaffirmed every time some kid gets in the helicopter with me and is just goo-goo-eyed the whole time.
Well, the majority of people that travel with us are going on their first helicopter ride experience of their life. Some of them, their first aviation experience of their life. We want to make sure that that is the best possible experience that they ever have.
But I've never once had somebody that we've convinced to fly come back when we're done and say, I wish I hadn't done that.
Come fly with us. You're really going to enjoy your flight.
Thank you guys very much.
Thank you. Hope you enjoyed your flight.
Oh, it's awesome. Thank you. Thank you.